Dhamma can be have many descriptions. It can be the teaching of the Buddha. It can be the rule of nature, which is anicca, dukkha, anatta, or it can be nature itself. So Dhamma has many different meanings: birth, age, sickness, death. Carnivores eat, herbivores eat plant, eat manure, cycle, satu, dhatu. It's all nature. Dhamma means the six elements. Really, that's what everything is made up of. The whole work of nature composed of the six elements: the earth element, the water element, the wind element, the fire element, the knowing element, and the space element. This is the basic building block